When a current WHO inspector, Peter Daszak, was talking about coronavirus manipulation in Wuhan even before the pandemic, and he said, and there is a video, there is an interview, he's heard saying, you can manipulate them in the lab pretty easily. He says that on record, and then we saw that tape today. So did the WHO, despite knowing the possibility of a Wuhan lab connection, dismiss it and cover it up till date? Now, the reason I'm asking this question is because the inspector that I mentioned was also the same man who reportedly got funds, was linked to the Wuhan Institute, also went and later after the outbreak was part of the WHO team that also inspected, ironically, the same facility, and also gave a clean chit to China. Now, there is a lot that has not been reported. I'll come to that next, but Saurabh, you can take this question.
Niranjan, let me give you a backstory. There is no denying the fact, and I completely agree with Nicholas Wade's theory, that it was a bioweapon which China has unleashed. The problem is that China has systematically made sure through its funding efforts, through its money power, through its bullying, has tried to take control of bodies like the WHO. That's the reason what you saw in terms of an inquiry was a complete hogwash. World today has to stand up against China, have to question because of this entire, I would call it the massacre of humanity. People across the globe have lost their loved ones. Economies have been crippled. The world today is at a bankruptcy. And here is a country which is profiteering out of it. Be it oxygen concentrator or mask, everything is being produced in mass and coming from China. Which is the country, which is the Chinese government knew they were complicit because they allowed international travel to continue despite the fact there was a ban on flights within China. They must answer and the world must question. And I would urge Sambit today that India as a global power, as a democracy, must take lead here. It's a time for us to make sure that, lakhs of people we have lost, world has lost millions of people. They all need a closure and we must put China on notice. The global community must seek answers. The democracies like US must take center stage and India must join hand because WHO does not have investigating powers. WHO needs more teeth and you need an impartial inquiry. As I said, China has systematically penetrated into international institutions. They have been making sure their people are winning elections. We have to see through this entire charade and today make sure that China is punished for what they've done against humanity and against the world.